I was ready to hate on this brand, but actually it surprised me quite well. Hi guys, Ritika, and today I'm gonna review our very own indie brand from India. That's Arcs by Ranbir Kapoor. This is Day by Arcs. Arcs is a brand from India which is owned by the Bollywood celebrity called Ranbir Kapoor. It's a lifestyle brand which has clothing and fragrance. And this is his first release that I just grabbed my hands on when I was in Mumbai. So when I went to their store in full blown way to hate the celebrity fragrance because, as you all know, the history of celebrity fragrance, I honestly felt that it would be a very average celebrity perfume. I start reviewing this by telling you the notes of this perfume. Starts with mandarin, the fresh citrusy mandarin and petite grain, which is also like a very dewy. Middle note, it goes to jasmine and ginger. So jasmine and ginger, I think it's quite fresh and spicy and floral. The base note involves musk and vetiver. Musk is the cozy skin light note, and the vetiver is again comes from your green family. So yeah, this perfume here is a certified day perfume with all the citruses, spicy, floral notes. And it reminded me of LV fragrances, the fresh fragrances from Louis Vuitton, be it Le Bon Cité, Pacific Chill, or Imagination. This comes from the same family and same kind of a base. You know, the airy, light, citrusy, fresh base perfumes. This is one of them. And to be honest, this is perfect for the Mumbai weather. This retails for 2,999, which is quite good for the price, good for the bottle. The bottle is quite simple, minimalistic, not quite unique, but it fits the brand of Ranbir Kapoor. As you know, if you follow him, you know he's quite a simple person, likes wearing hoodie and pajamas most of the time. And this bottle, it's quite representative of that. So the only downside that I feel this perfume has is that they are claiming that this is an EDP, but the perfume concentration level is just 18%. For me, this is more of an EDT kind of a scent because the scent profile, which is citrus, doesn't sit quite long on your body because it doesn't have anything the deeper and the resinous notes like oud or any woody notes that sit longer on your body. So this is like a certified citrus floral fragrance which you can use in Bombay. I would say you can try it if you want to, but yeah, I kind of like it and I'm not hating on it. I'm in fact adding this to my day-to-day wear, maybe grocery shopping, gym, or picking up something, casual coffee dates, etc. And also Arcs is going to release a night fragrance. I think that would be much more deeper and would have some more dense fragrance notes which would sit quite longer, like a party or a date night fragrance. So I'm waiting for that. They will release it in this December when I spoke to them. And this is their day fragrance which you can try. I think you should definitely try, and it's not that expensive as well, and it's a great addition to your fragrance collection. Thank you.